So when doing age problems, you always want to start with a 2-row, 3-column chart. The leftmost column, you always want to have the names of the people in the problem. So here we have Lucy and Amy. You then want to indicate which time period of their lives are they comparing. So in the first sentence, you can see they're comparing their ages in the now. And in the second sentence, you can see they're comparing their ages 3 years ago. All right, so these are going to be your next two columns. So I'm going to label the middle column now, and I'm going to label the last column 3 years ago. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the first sentence. I'm going to see if I can get some variables here. So Lucy is 4 times as old as Amy is now. So I'm going to label Amy X, and I'm going to label Lucy 4X. All right, now I'm going to look at my next column, and now I can fill that in. So it's 3 years ago. So I'm going to subtract 3 years from both of those variables. So this is going to be 4x minus 3, and Amy is going to be x minus 3. All right, now we have the chart filled out. Now we need our equation. All right, so let's see what we're comparing here. 3 years ago, so I'm going to use the values in the rightmost column. All right, 3 years ago, Lucy was 13 times as old as Amy. All right, so I'm going to put Lucy on the left, so that's 4x minus 3. And on the right, I'm going to put Amy, which is x minus 3. All right, once again, it states that Lucy, which is the 4x minus 3, is 13 times bigger than the x minus 3. So in order to set these guys equal to each other, I am going to multiply the right side by 13. So we can make it even and we can set them equal to each other. All right, there you go. There's your equation. Now if you solve that equation, you're going to get x is equal to 4. All right, but now remember, x is equal to 4. That's saying how old Amy is. We want to know how old Lucy is. So we're going to take that x is equal to 4 and we're going to plug it back into Lucy's variable. So you're going to get 4 times 4, which is 16. So she is 16 years old.